Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anali Channel! So, ngayon, gagawin natin ngayon ay magdi-discuss ako about peripheral components. So, this is my vlog 1 for activity. Salamat talaga sir, no? Okay, let's start. What is peripheral components?
So what is peripheral components or peripheral device? This is any input or output components that connects to a computer. So what is in peripheral device? So ano nga ba yung mga specialized na peripheral devices na naka-include dito? So ang mga standard ng input or output ng components ng computer ay the keyboard, mouse, display unit, and printer. So the specialized peripheral devices include also playing games, monitoring home security, capturing video images, and specialized also key components of large scale of computers such as high-speed printers for mass mailings, high-speed optional, high-speed optical character readers in banks. And the next is the computer-controlled robots for such as arc welding, circuit board assembly, and painting. So the first one, peripheral device na kailangan ng components is input device. So what is input device? An input device lets you to communicate with a computer. So you can use input device to enter informations and issue commands. So ito yung sinabi ko kanina na the keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital camera, touchpads, and joystick. So those of the mentions earlier ay input devices po yun. Yun yung mga example niya. So, the first example is keyboard. So, alam naman natin na ang keyboard ay napaka-importante sa computer, di ba? Hindi naman tayo makakapag-type. Unless na lang kung sa touchscreen, pwede naman. Pero anyway, keyboard is used to type data into the computer. Most common input device today, yun nga na work at home po tayo, then online class. So, madalas natin ginagamit yung computer. So, ngayon, nagtatype tayo sa computer, diba? Then, has special keys for giving the computer commands. So, ito yung mga keyboard na meron na agad ng specialization commands sa computer para ma-type yung mga letters, numbers, symbols, etc. Then, the next example ng input device ay scanner. So, what is scanner? Scanners allows you to scan documents, pictures, or graphic and views them to the computer. You can also use software to edit the items you scan. So, ang scanner, familiar naman po tayong lahat dito, di ba? So, ngayon kasi, in modernization, meron na tayong scanner ng apps sa cellphone. Pipicturan mo na lang yung documents, tapos ma-scan agad. Magbumukha talaga siyang scan. Pero, yun na nga, scanner. Input device siya. And then the next example is digital camera. Ang digital camera is used to take electronic pictures of an object. Kilala naman natin kung ano itsura ng camera, di ba? So, lalo ngayon, marami gumagamit nito. So, yun. The pictures taken by the digital camera can be used by a computer. So, meron ng webcam tsaka digital camera yung dati kasi nauuso yung mga ganyan. Pero ngayon, more on cellphone na kasi yung ginagamit. Pero meron pa rin naman gumagamit. Yung mga vloggers, gumagamit pa rin mga DSLR. So, example din yun ng digital camera. The next is microphone. Microphone is to put sound into a computer. So, ito nga yun. Meron nga microphone, kailangan need sound recording software. So, marami nga. May headphone, headphone yung sinusuot dito. So, meron din microphone, sinasaksak sa computer, diba? And the next is CD or RAM or DVD or RAM. Can be used to put both sound and images into a computer. Use a laser to read a compact disc, CD or DVD. So, alam naman natin kung ano itsura nito, diba? Nakikita naman natin dito sa gilid or kadalasan sa gilid po nakalagay sa computer. O kaya dun sa CPU, yun, meron din doon. So, the next component is output devices. So, what is an output devices? An output device is a display information on the screen, creates printed copies, or generates sounds So this is a monitor, printer, and speakers are examples of output devices. So ang output device nga meron din itong monitor and displays. So it shows the process informations on the screen, and monitor or display a produce of soft copy when the device is turned off and the information goes away. And the third is monitor are slowly being replaced by a flat panel display. So yun nga yun, no? Alam naman natin kung ano itsura ng monitor display. So ito nga yung screen na yan. Yan yung display niya. And then, the next example of output device is printer. So a printer is produce a hard copy, so also called a printout. So the information is printed on a paper and can be used with the device itself. So alam naman natin kung ano itsura ng printer, nakikita naman natin sa picture, di ba? Minsan kasi meron ding mga printer na magkakasama na may scanner na, may Xerox, may, yun nga. So yun nga, mas kilala siya printout. Diba? Lalo ng mga estudyante, nagmo-module. So gamit siya ngayon yung printer. Then the next is speaker. It is used to output, di ba? Mas importante din yan sa computer, yung speaker. Kung gusto mong mas malakas pa na magamit, especially kasi ngayon, hindi na masyadong gumagamit ang speaker. Meron pa rin naman, kaso lang, ewan, basta. And as you can see to the picture, meron akong diagram. I have input and output. So nakikita naman natin yung keyboard, optical pen, joystick, scanner, barcode reader. So yan yung mga example din ng input, no? Then the output is headphones, headset, screen, laser printer, inkjet printer, plotter, and speaker. So meron din naman magkakasama na siya yung input and output. So ito yung mga digital camera, pen drive, touchscreen, CD or DVD, and the webcam. So ito yung mga magkakasama na rin like box and modem. So yan yung mga example na ng output devices. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Sana hopefully meron po kayo natutunan about my discussion. Thank you so much.